Hello everyone, I'm back with my next video on words of wisdom. And today I have a very amazing and inspiring personality, and she is a lady of 94 years of age who started or launched her startup Besan Ki Barfi at the age of 90, and she is Harbhajan Kaur. Harbhajan Kaur sat with her daughter, Ravina Suri, talking about her life. During their conversation, Ravina asked her mother if she had any regrets, to which the mother replied, I had a fulfilling life, but my only regret is that I never earned any money on my own. I wish I had. The conversation ended there for Harbhajan, but for Ravina, it was the beginning of something. In an attempt to erase this regret felt by her mother, Ravina gently stirred her into starting an entrepreneurial venture, making yummy treats that everyone in their family had grown up on. Here we can see a wonderful picture of Harbhajan Kaur and her daughter Ravina Suri. This is how 4 years ago Harbhajans came into being, with 94 years old Harbhajan Kaur at its helm, specializing in making besan barfi and various kinds of pickles. This Chandigarh venture has grown from strength to strength. Ravina recalls, all our lives we have had food at home, including sweets and squashes and sherbets. She, that is Harbhajan, has always been such an amazing cook, but was content in remaining behind the scenes. Here we can see this darling woman cooking with such great happiness for her family. While there was a lot of appreciation for her food, she never got any formal recognition for it. Like many mothers of that generation, she continued to work for all of us tirelessly, says Ravina. Speaking about the first time that Harbhajan sold besan barfi, Ravina shares. She first set shop at a local organic market on her own. She sat there, interacted with the customers, and came home with rupees 2000, which was her first own earnings. Here we can see her cooking with such acuteness, accuracy, love. Ravina tells me how this was an achievement for her shy homemaker who rarely stepped out from the confines of her home and family. Harbhajan was a proud woman when she returned home armed with rupees 2000 that day. That earning not only brought her happiness, but also the confidence to take this initiative forward and make something of it. Since then, Harbhajan made barfis and chutneys and various kinds of pickles, taking her products to the organic market every 10 days. Despite her age, she continues to work and even enjoys it. We can see her packing. This is the packing of besan ki barfi and a confident and happy look on her face. Soon she started getting orders, placing them to make sure that she is never overworked. While Ravina has been the silent force behind her mother, Harbhajan's granddaughter helped with all the branding and packaging. The tagline, Bachpan Yaad Aa Jayegi, you will remember your childhood, evoked nostalgia. And here we can see a picture that was there in the Indian Express. She's standing with her besan ki barfi, chase your dream. age doesn't matter. And there was another clipping in the newspaper and magazines. उम्र 94 है तो क्या हुआ, जब तक खून में रवानी है बस चलते जाना है. इंस्पायरिंग. उस उम्र में जहां लोगों को लगता है कि बस अब बहुत हुआ, अब अपने सपनों की शुरुआत करने वाली हरभजन आज न केवल ऊर्जा से भरपूर है, बल्कि वे लोगों के लिए मिसाल बन चुकी हैं. जानते हैं इनकी कहानी? And that is what we are reading. I wanted each one of you to know about this 94-year-old lady. We all have got grandmothers and so many other people we know who are old. They are talented, but they are still unsung heroes. We can really think of doing something for them, just like Ravina Suri, Harbhajan's daughter, did for this lady to fulfill her dream of at least earning some money of her own. Narrating yet another heartwarming tale, Ravina says, 2 months ago, my daughter got married and wanted the wedding invitations to be sent out with sweets that her nani, that is Harbhajan, made. She did not want any sweets from the market and preferred that they all be handmade by her nani. It was a lovely feeling for everyone to get those treats. Remarkably, Harbhajan made 200 kg of barfi for her granddaughter's wedding. When asked about the growth of the brand, Ravina says, more than monetary aspect, the fact that mom is so much more confident now is what I see as growth. The same lady who wouldn't sit in a group because she was shy has been giving interviews and speaking to her clients about feedback, etc., which in turn has transformed her life. Over 4 years, she had made over 500 kg of barfi, where 1 kilogram is priced at rupees 850. Presently, the venture is run by the family and they plan to employ others soon, given that the phone is constantly buzzing with inquiries and orders. And here we can see this happy picture, a confident looking woman who is also known as the 94-year-old entrepreneur. A wonderful picture again we can see of her cutting the pieces of barfi. I hope this is really inspiring. Although she is a 94-year-old lady, but her accomplishment was greater than the others who accomplish or rise at a young age. This is really, really inspiring. And please do give importance to your old ones at home. Try to do a little to make them confident. Do something for them too, just like Ravina Suri did. I hope you liked this video and it was really inspiring for you all. Those who have not subscribed my channel and are new, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Do take good care of yourself. We'll meet next Wednesday with another inspiring personality. Till then, goodbye.